Banks are praying you take this loan. Not hoping, praying. That finger hovering over accept, they have PhDs studying how to make you press it. Here's what they don't want you to know. 3 things, hidden in plain sight. 1 saves you thousands. The other 3, they cost you sleep for years. Let's expose the loan trap. Car repair, medical bill, wedding, debt consolidation. Life hits. You need cash now. And the banking app says, you're pre-approved. Your brain hears, they trust me, this is fine. Dopamine hit, relief, problem solved. But here's what actually happened. The personal loan industry, $200 billion globally, growing every year. They don't make that money from people who don't need loans. They make it from desperation, wrapped in a pretty app, dressed like help. You at 3 a.m. doom-scrolling loan options thinking, just till next month, I'll pay it off fast. We all think that. Then life happens again and again. Here's the twist they don't tell you. Your emergency fund is for emergencies, but now the loan payment is the emergency. Month 1, you're fine. Month 3, you're cutting groceries. Month 6, you're borrowing to pay the loan. That's not bad luck, that's math. Here's what the app doesn't show you. Average personal loan interest, 10 to 30%. Credit card, 20 to 30%. Stock market average, 10%. Inflation, 3%. Do the math. You're not borrowing money, you're borrowing your future. That $10,000 loan at 15% for 5 years, you pay back $14,000. But the real cost? What that $10,000 could have grown to. Invested for 20 years at 10%, $32,000. Gone. You're not paying interest, you're paying opportunity. Your future self is watching you right now. Are you helping them or hurting them? Here's the second thing they hide. There's a tax they don't put on paper. I call it the dignity tax. Every dinner you skip, every trip you decline, every I can't when friends plan something. That isolation, that shame, that's the tax. Studies show people with personal loan debt have 2x higher stress, 3x more likely to skip medical care. You borrow for today's emergency, create tomorrow's emergencies. Say it with me, the loan is the emergency. You're thinking, cool story, I still need $2,000 by Friday. I hear you. Let's get practical. Here's the framework. 3 questions, answer honestly. Wedding, vacation, new phone? That's a want. Rent, medicine, food? That's survival. If it's survival, fine, loan might be necessary. But if it's a want, you're not borrowing money, you're borrowing future you's peace for present you's impatience. 3 days, that's it. Impulse decisions are enemy decisions. The loan offer won't expire. 72 hours. Let the dopamine fade. Let the fear settle, then decide. 90% of emergency loans look different after 3 days. Not how will I pay, when will this be gone? If you can't name the exact month you're debt-free, don't sign. Here's the cheat code banks hate. Never borrow more than 30% of what you can pay off in 3 months. If you can't pay 30% of that loan in 90 days, you can't afford the loan. Let me give you 3 options before the loan. 1 weekend, Uber, DoorDash, TaskRabbit, whatever. $500 in 48 hours. No interest, no 5-year trap. Call who you owe. Seriously. Medical bills, 80% negotiable. Rent, late fee structure exists. Credit card, hardship programs. They don't advertise it, but it's there. You just have to ask. Embarrassing? Yes, for 5 minutes. Cheaper than 5 years of payments. This is the part banks don't want you to hear. Here's the truth. The loan feels like a plan. It's not. It's borrowed time. 1 year from now, same salary, different bank account, different peace. It starts with today, with this choice. Before you take any loan this year, any loan, do this. 72 hours, 3 questions, 1 honest answer. If you're already in loan debt, you're not alone. This isn't shame, this is strategy. Here's what I need from you. Drop a comment, 1 word or 1,000. Tell me, Mine, $4,000 on a car I didn't need. Took 3 years to pay off a 1-year mistake. Drop it below. I'll read every single one. And in next week's video, I'll answer the top questions. If this helped even one person avoid the trap, hit like. Not for me, for the algorithm to show this to someone stressing over a loan application right now. Subscribe if you're done letting banks win. The loan isn't freedom. The loan is the cage. Real freedom? Walking in knowing you owe nothing to no one.